Exclusive. Today we have a podcast with two educationists actually who are very well known in Borivali. They are the founders of JD's Private Tutorials and Jimit Doshi sir and Parshva Doshi sir. There's a background which I would like to mention. They were recommended to me by Hiral Vasani. Now, she was a student at Nemlekars. She's got a son who's educating himself at JD's private tutorials. And she was very impressed with the way they conduct their tutorials. You know, a lot of things happening over there. So I thought, why not actually invite the pioneers who are there in this field for this podcast, which is happening at Hilltop Studios. So let me introduce our dignified guest today, Jimit Doshi sir and Parshva Doshi sir. Hello, how are you, sir? Namaste.
Namaste, sir.
Thanks for coming for the podcast.
Thank you for your warm welcome.
Uh, Jimit sir, how did you start JD's private tutorials? थोड़ा background बताएंगे तो अच्छा होगा.
Sure, sir, sure. So, my name is Jimit Doshi. I'm an engineer and an MBA grad.
Wow.
After my MBA, I did a job for a period of 5 to 6 years with a NBFC.
Okay.
I met Deval sir during that time, and at that point of time, we officially started with JD's private tutorials, which is Jimit and Deval's.
Oh, is it? JD
Yeah.
stands for Jimit and
Deval.
Okay.
Yes,
okay.
sir. So while I was doing my job, initially during my school times, engineering times, MBA times, I used to help my friends. Though money was never ever the criteria as such, but वो बच्चों को हेल्प करना, उनको एग्जाम्स के वक्त कुछ हेल्प करना. आफ्टर माय ऑफिशियल MBA आवर्स या इंजीनियरिंग आवर्स या ऑफिस आवर्स, शाम को 1 घंटा 2 घंटा उनको पढ़ाना. बट देन ओवर अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम आई गॉट टू नो कि बैंकिंग इज नॉट फॉर मी. For me, everything lies into education.
Oh, it was an intuition that you felt.
Yes.
Okay.
So finally, so we officially started with JD's in 2015. However, parallelly, in 2 years, I was working at that point of time also.
Yeah.
And in 2 years, I quit my job. And from 2017, I'm full time into JD's or teaching.
Okay. So that means complete concentration आपका फिर tutorials पे आ गया.
Yes, sir.
Great. I want to ask Parshva sir now in this continuation कि पार्श्व सर आपने कैसे ज्वाइन किया, आपका बैकग्राउंड क्या था? वर यू इन द फील्ड ऑफ टीचिंग या कैसे था?
So, like, I was never ever into teaching as such, though I was the one who usually used to run away from studies
Okay.
during my like school days and initial college days. But then, like, I was pursuing my BCom, and along with that, I was even looking forward for becoming a chartered accountant.
Oh, great.
So, like, during my initial CPT attempts, it was like that I was unable to clear, and I got that thing that being like getting into CA is not my cup of tea. And like BCom college timings are usually like 10 a.m. or max to max 11 a.m. And then the entire day I have like nothing to do. I'm free.
True.
So there I got connected with Jimit sir and Deval sir, and I was like offered ki during your free time you can help us with respect to this coaching particular thing, and that is how I got connected with JD's private tutorial. So the initial aim was only very simple, like whatever I earn I can spend it during my college days. जो भी हम लोग वो बंक मारते हैं, बाहर जाते हैं, तो क्या है वो घर वालों से पैसा ना मांगना पड़े, especially parents से. So that was the only primary goal at the initial stages. कि yes, I want to earn whatever I get, and later on I'll decide what my future would be. But at that point of time as well, I was pretty sure teaching is not my cup of tea. So that is how.
Okay. So अभी ये मुझे पूछना है आपको कि सर why CBSE and ICSE, वो आपने कैसे डिसाइड किया कि भाई मुझे यही करना है करके? जिमित सर, ये आपको है.
Specifically CBSE and ICSE, the reason was in-depth जो पढ़ाना होता है एंड द कंप्लीट डेवलपमेंट ऑफ द किड्स predominantly is seen in CBSE and ICSE. इसलिए we thought let's get into that particular field.
सर आप कौन से जनरली सब्जेक्ट्स पढ़ाते हैं? आपको मैं पहले पूछ रहा हूँ, देन आई आस्क जिमित सर आल्सो, व्हाट आर योर
So my
areas?
actual forte goes with respect to social studies, that is history, politics, geography, and economics.
Okay.
Along with that, I teach mathematics as well. There is a story to mathematics as well.
बोलिए, we are very keen to know.
Yeah,
that.
so basically, I was not good at math as such, but very few of them, or I guess no one probably knows. Jimit sir used to teach me mathematics quants during my CPT days.
Okay, गुरु शिष्य का दर्जा ये था.
Yeah, so that is how basically our closeness and our journey started over there. Like a relation started over there. No, nothing with respect to future में क्या करेंगे, but he used to help me with respect to my mathematics and all. और वहाँ से मुझे धीरे धीरे मैथ्स में थोड़ा सा interest. I started developing a bit of interest because of his unique way and motivational way of teaching. That is what he is till date as well, so there is no doubt on that part. And then later, I started with the social studies thing, and side by side, he used to help me, guide me with respect to mathematics. And he and Deval sir always used to have a say ki, if you want to build your career in teaching, either math or science should be one of the subjects, because that is how it will help you grow ahead. And like taking their guidance and all, I started my journey with mathematics as well.
Okay.
I know it's a weird combination, math and social studies together, but so that is how my subjects and teaching goes.
पार्श्व सर, मुझे आपसे ये जानना था, आपने तो बताया मुझे that you are taking SS as well as mathematics.
Yeah, sir.
But एक थोड़ा odd combination नहीं लगता आपको? What was the thing? If you can just elaborate on that.
So, social study journey starts from my schooling days. So like I used to go to coaching classes जहाँ पे सर जो थे, he used to teach social studies in a very unique way. Like I had never ever thought कि social studies could become a practical subject as such.
Okay.
So he used to make us connect practically with the current scenarios that were going on during those times.
Oh, great.
And from there my inclination towards social studies started. Initially I also used to feel कि बहुत boring subject है, monotonous है, क्या ही करना है, सिर्फ रट्टा मार के अच्छे marks लाना है. That was my like thing as well earlier, but that changed due to like during my schooling days as well. And then during my college period I got more like attracted towards it, because then my aim started differing a bit. Like I started preparing for UPSC.
Okay.
तो यूपीएससी प्रिपरेशन के लिए मैंने स्टार्ट किया विथ होल डेडिकेशन एंड एवरीथिंग, लाइक रिफरिंग टू एन नंबर ऑफ डिफरेंट बुक्स, लाइक फेमसली पॉलिटिक्स के लिए लक्ष्मीकांत एंड ऑल दोज बुक्स वर देयर. एंड यहाँ पे मेरे जो फैमिली मेम्बर्स थे, सो आई हैव a small background related to this, that how I got inclined towards UPSC. First of all, UPSC का aim एक ही था. I always believe that giving back to society is something which should be a part of the human nature.
Very
क्योंकि
nice thought process.
नेचर ने हमें बहुत कुछ दिया है, तो एटलीस्ट आई थॉट कि कोई वे में हमें वापस उनको देना है. सो आई थॉट ऑफ सर्विंग,
Payback kind of.
पे बैक करना है. यस यस, डेफिनेटली. So I thought of like giving back by serving for the society. And since I was more inclined towards politics, geopolitics, and I got into it, and as I said, my family background, one of my first cousins is in Indian Air Force.
Oh, wow.
He is serving as a wing commander right now. One of my first cousin is associated with Maharashtra government. So वहाँ से मुझे बहुत सारी स्टोरीज, बहुत सारे गवर्नमेंट और आर्म्ड फोर्सेस रिलेटेड न्यूज़ और इंटरेस्टिंग बिट्स मिलते थे वहाँ से. सो then I started reading more in depth about it, and I started preparations for my UPSC. Or though unfortunately I could not clear it, but it gave me a lot of teaching. And that teaching and those extra things that I studied from books and whatever resources I had, now I use it as a part of my education to implement it in my teaching, giving it to the kids. So that is where a combination of social studies and mathematics
Great.
comes into the picture.
So I would like to make a mention again over here to all the students and my viewers. If the teacher, your professor is inclined to teach the subject interestingly, it cannot be monotonous at all. So I want to ask you, sir, what was your forte? Like, what did you start with initially teaching at
My
JDs?
forte from day one was mathematics.
Okay.
So I used to help students specifically in maths.
Yep.
हाँ. So जब स्कूलिंग टाइम था तो दोस्तों को मैथ्स में हेल्प करते थे, अलजेब्रा ज्योमेट्री ड्यूरिंग दोज डेज. इफ आई टॉक स्पेसिफिकली ड्यूरिंग माय इंजीनियरिंग टाइम्स, आजू बाजू वालों को या छोटे बच्चों को स्पेसिफिकली मैथ्स में ही हेल्प करो. ड्यूरिंग माय एमबीए I used to help my friends in specifically quant, and this is how the journey started.
सर छोटे बच्चे में मैं भी आता हूँ, मुझे भी आपने हेल्प की है.
See the honest जो उनका व्यू है. I mean, this is a very candid and open interview for all your students as well as the parents कि दो founders कैसे बात कर रहे हैं. सर मुझे आपको फिर यही और जाके पूछना है. I mean, इसके साथ जुड़ा हुआ अपना क्वेश्चन है कि how did your family take this complete 360 जो ये है डिग्रीज, क्योंकि आप उस वक्त यू आर एक्चुअली वर्किंग समवेयर, यू आर हैविंग अ स्टेडी इनकम, isn't it? And suddenly to take a decision which is unexpected. Mom dad का क्या था उस वक्त उनका reaction?
So I'll just give you a brief about those things. Initially, we used to teach students after my MBA when I was working. शाम को पढ़ाना with some motive कि extra income हो जाए शाम को. So this is the way we used to teach कि चलो शाम को कुछ income हो जाए, Saturday Sunday को कुछ income हो जाए. And being a single during that time, we used to spend time with less time with family and thinking more of money and all those stuff. Over a period of time वो चीज़ें पहले घर पे पढ़ाना, फिर कुछ कुछ लोगों के घर पे जाना.
Okay.
देन व्हेन वी ऑफिशियली स्टार्टेड जेडीज, उसके पहले तो घर पे बहुत घमासान हुआ कि चालू क्यों करना है, अभी आपके लिए तो लड़की ढूंढनी है, अपना घर का सेटल नहीं है, आप कैसे करोगे ये सब चीज़ें. देन इट वॉज डिफिकल्ट फॉर मी टू कन्विंस द पेरेंट्स, बट आई टोल्ड कि लेट्स गिव इट अ ट्राई, अगर नहीं होता है तो क्विट कर देंगे, बट ये चीज़ मुझे बहुत पसंद है. दो आई एट वन पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इन माई office times, yeah, during my corporate work, I used to handle a portfolio of somewhere around 1200 crores or 1300 crores. So we used to lend to companies in the range of 5 crores to 100 crores, and I've met good huge name personalities जो मुंबई में या पूरी दुनिया में famous है, and they used to come to us for finance or so. So parents always used to think I am doing a very good corporate job, almost traveling once or twice in a month. तो ये 5-6 साल कंटिन्यूसली चालू रहा. सो देवर थिंकिंग कि अच्छी लाइफ है, क्यों ये सब छोड़ के कुछ और करना है. बट माई पैशन वॉज ऑलवेज टीचिंग. इनिशियली द वे आई टोल्ड यू, पहले थोड़ा सोच रहे थे कि सेकेंड इनकम आ जाए, थर्ड इनकम आ जाए एंड सो ऑन, बट देन वो आ गया कि नहीं अभी यही करना है. एंड द पेरेंट्स वर कोऑपरेटिव, स्टूडेंट्स वर रिस्पॉन्डिंग इन दैट पर्टिकुलर मैनर, तो बहुत मज़ा आ रहा था. सो फ्रॉम 2015 व्हेन आई गॉट इन टच विद देवल सर, हमने दोनों ने ये स्टार्ट किया, एंड ही वॉज वेरी मच श्योर कि दो देर इज सम एक्स्ट्रा इनकम गोइंग एट होम, बट व्हेन यू आर स्टार्टिंग विद जेडीज, हमें घर पे नहीं पढ़ाना है, हमें हमारे क्लास में ही पढ़ाना है. लिटरली टू बी वेरी ऑनेस्ट, स्टार्टिंग के 2-3 महीने हम जो जैसे बोलते हैं ना, मच्छर मारे हैं हमने, कोई स्टूडेंट्स नहीं. वी genuinely started feeling sad. अरे यार क्यों पर्सनल ट्यूशन स्टॉप कर दी है, क्यों बाकी सब चीज़ें स्टॉप कर दी, वहाँ पे अदर इनकम तो स्टॉप हो गई. प्लस व्हेन यू आर स्टार्टिंग विद अ न्यू सेटअप, वो सेटअप कॉस्ट, रेंट, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, वो सब तो आ ही रहा है. सो इनिशियल 3 months वर रियली डिफिकल्ट, बट व्हेन वी गॉट आवर फर्स्ट स्टूडेंट्स एंड वी वर रियली हैप्पी. Similarly, convincing the parents was a difficult task, but we told them these stories कि बच्चे खुश है, माँ बाप रिकमेंड कर रहे हैं दूसरों को, एंड धीमे धीमे वी फील वील बी एबल टू डू इट. गिव अस सम टाइम, 1 साल या 2 साल दीजिए, अगर वो सक्सेसफुल होता है तो सुपर्ब, और एल्स आई विल गेट बैक टू माई जॉब. To be very honest with you, on 22nd February 2017, that is my father's and mother's parents' anniversary, मैंने मेरी जॉब में रेजिग्नेशन दिया था, and this was the anniversary gift to my parents कि I'm quitting. I will
Was
have
it a gift or was it a shock?
so you can call it whatever
Yeah,
you
yeah.
want to. At that point of time, probably in 2017, it was a shock.
True.
But today it is they look as a gift. Ki nurturing so many students, one of the finest classes in JD, basically Borivali, teaching n number of students and reputed people जिनके माँ बाप अच्छे doctors है, lawyers
Yeah,
है,
yeah.
engineers है, taking care of multinational companies, and we are genuinely happy and contented.
True. I want to ask Parshva sir, कि आपका like what was your experience and what did parents think about your decision?
So coming to me, my parents were very happy being associated with specifically Jimit sir and Deval sir, because they knew that I was going in some good hands only at the end. Whatever I was going to do, it was going to be like in a positive way only going ahead. So they were very much happy. Especially parents are happy during their college days की जो बच्चे लोग खेलने कूदने में या टाइम पास करने में अपना टाइम वेस्ट करते हैं,
जी जी.
instead of that they were happy that I was going to utilize my time in a productive way,
True.
somewhat productive way, which might lead to a better future as well. So they were pretty much happy, pretty much content about it that I got associated with them and I started my journey over here with JD's private tutoring.
मुझे ये पूछना था कि besides teaching, you know, because excellent teaching तो है, what are the extracurricular activities या other things what you are doing for the students and parents which give them that relief from studies and you know they are nurtured in all different possible ways?
We play sports with them. Basically cricket, badminton, football. So every 3 months we have a stress booster or stress relief for them. So ये 3 महीने में हम लोग tournaments करते हैं JDs की, and at the end of every year we take them for a trip. For initial 5-7 years we used to take them for a 1-day trip. From last 3-4 years we are taking them for a 1-night trip. So everything, if I talk about sports or trip, those all things are managed by our in-house students also. In-house students only. ऐसा नहीं है कि बाहर से कोई प्रोफेशनल आते हैं. Our team and the ex-students.
It's like a family.
Yeah, it's like a family. Our team and our ex-students come to manage these things.
24/7 you are in this field. अपने खुद के लिए टाइम नहीं है, फैमिली के लिए वक्त नहीं होता है. सो हाउ डू यू मैनेज योर, हाउ डू यू फेस योर फैमिली कि भाई कहीं वेकेशन नहीं जाना होता? What is their reaction on this?
To be very honest, we are genuinely very lucky. Our family is very supportive. My wife, again, she doesn't complain. We have holidays last 10 days of May and 7 days of Diwali is the official holidays for us.
But like I will just like to sorry interrupt over here. Even
Yes.
when there are holidays, the extra lectures goes on. So it's like 365 days the classes are going on. So when sir says basically last 10 days are holidays, you need to understand that 10 days are holiday for kids, not for us. But somehow we try to manage.
जो आप शेड्यूल्स करते हैं, एग्जाम्स के शेड्यूल्स है, आई मीन डू यू डू इट कॉन्शियसली विद द इंटेंशन ऑफ गेटिंग गुड रिजल्ट्स, और व्हाट इज योर थॉट प्रोसेस?
So first and foremost, our focus is on the unit test exams, semester exams, and then the boards.
Okay.
So before the unit test exams, what we do is we stop teaching 10 days prior to the unit test exams and we just focus on revisions. During the exams also, we ensure, for example, on Tuesday there is a maths exam. So I ensure that I am available on Monday to again re-help them or do further revision of that particular math subject. So finally they are prepared for the exams in the school. Similarly, in the boards, if I talk about, we are with them or we handhold them till the second last day of the boards. So समझो आपका 10th March को last paper है, we make all our teachers available till 9th March of that particular academic year. So उस बहाने हम आपका हाथ नहीं छोड़ते हैं. To be very honest, ये सिर्फ पढ़ाई की बात नहीं हुई है. इनफैक्ट बच्चे 2 साल, 5 साल, 10 साल के बाद भी अगर करियर में कोई हेल्प चाहिए, दे स्टिल आर इन टच विथ अस. एंड बिकॉज दे नो आर फोकस इज नॉट ओनली मार्क्स, बिकॉज मार्क्स तो इज अ बाई प्रोडक्ट जो ऑटोमेटिकली आ जाते हैं इफ दे फॉलो द एंटायर प्रोसेस. एंड वी आर लकी कि स्कूल के टॉपर्स या अलग अलग इंस्टीट्यूट के टॉपर्स, मेजॉरिटी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट्स आर फ्रॉम JDs, दो वी डोंट पब्लिसाइज इट. हमारा ऐसा कोई पोस्टर या ऐसा कहीं पे भी क्लासेस में या कहीं पे भी वो फोटोज नहीं लगाते हैं हम लोग. एंड वी आर जेन्युइनली वेरी लकी, टचवुड. the parents and students support in such
They
a
are like
manner
your
कि
ambassadors for you, brand
yeah, they are.
ambassadors. First batch के जो student है, do you still connect with them and what is their like what have they settled down in life? क्या कर रहे हैं अभी आज?
So if I talk about JD's first batch, that is 2016 wala batch. So majority of them have started settling down. They are doing a job. They get in touch with us when they need some help with respect to some job offers or to study further. And it is our duty in the month of Diwali. During Diwali, we have a group. We drop a message in the group, and they come to meet us once.
Oh, great.
During Holi, we specifically drop a message in the group, आ जाइए मिलना है. So these are the two times which is compulsorily we drop a message in the group कि आप आ जाइए, we'll celebrate with you all. However, they are anytime most welcome in case they need any help with respect to career, job or life. So it's not कि आपकी पढ़ाई 10 तक खत्म हो गई, so there is no relation. There are teachers, there are students and their parents who are still in touch with us.
So, and like I would just like to add, like we are really very blessed. The kids who are associated with us as kids, as students at our classes, now few of them are full-time teachers, professors with us.
Oh wow.
For example, they are pursuing their like they have passed cleared NEET, they are doing MBBS or are becoming doctors. Ones who have got or are preparing for their engineering and all those things. So वो लोग हमारे यहाँ पे basically अभी as a teacher बच्चों को पढ़ाने आते हैं. So even though earlier they were our student or kid, now we ask them a question when we meet usually कि ये शूज़ में खड़े रहने पे कैसा लग रहा है आप लोगों को. जो शूज़ में हम लोग थे और आप लोग हम लोगों को जो नज़र से देखते थे, नज़र से इन द सेंस बेसिकली दैट हाउ यू यूज्ड टू सी अस एज टीचर्स. नाउ यू योरसेल्फ आर टीचर्स एंड नाउ यू आर catering to kids. So this is also very like I mean to say a thing that helps our current year students as well when they see कि मेरी बड़ी बहन या बड़ा भाई अभी यहाँ पे टीचर बन गए, तो वो लोग भी वो एक पॉजिटिव वे में एस्पेक्ट में चीज़ों को आगे देख.
Great, you groom them and then you know that they when they are capable they start teaching, so it's nice and they also know the like family, they know the other students. Sir, why JD's private tutorials अगर आप बोलना चाहेंगे, because there are a lot of students from Daisar also who are in your tutorials, so why is it that people should come to, is there any USP या आप ये करेंगे कि what's the plus point कि उन्होंने क्यों आना चाहिए बोरीवली में?
So to be very honest, the atmosphere is amazing. Small batch size और जो personal care मिलता है not only till grade 10th, वो लाइफ टाइम तक जो मिलता है. So basically by
It's like
God's
hand
grace,
holding them.
hand holding till the last, and they invite us in their special functions also, and we are genuinely very lucky. So we feel कि ये सब चीजें शायद कोई और ऑफर नहीं करता है, and that is why students should join us.
That's a USP. Great. Sir, what do you have to say something about it?
So like already we spoke earlier, sir said हम लोग सिर्फ result oriented नहीं है. USP में I would like to add, apart from academic success that is definitely there over here with us, apart from that we even focus on minute things like their behavioral aspects and everything. Like to just give you an example, our classes have a shoe rack outside our classes. तो अगर आपके लड़के ने शूज़ वो शू रैक में नहीं रखे हैं तो उनको क्लास में से बाहर बुला के वापस रखवा दे. सो इट माइट लुक लाइक अ वेरी स्मॉल थिंग, बट जो लड़का या लड़की घर में आके बैग ऐसे फेंक देता है स्कूल के बाद, शूज़ इधर होते हैं, सॉक्स उधर होते हैं, हमारे यहाँ पे वो इतने छोटे छोटे माइन्यूट डिसिप्लिन और उसको भी हम लोग फॉलो कर दे, सो दैट एक यंग एज से एक डिसिप्लिनरी अप्रोच वो लोग में बिल्ट हो जाए. रादर इट बी अ शू थिंग और इट बी अ सॉक्स थिंग और इट बी अ क्लोथ थिंग, बट एक बेसिक डिसिप्लिन अगर हम लोग अगर हम लोग वो मेंटेन करवा पा रहे हैं ये एज से, तो इट विल हेल्प देम ओनली. सो इट्स नॉट फॉर अस बट फॉर देम इन द फ्यूचर कि कैसे वो लोग भी एक डिसिप्लिन लाइफ. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वन मोर USP, हम लोग के जो बच्चे होते हैं they are usually asked to come 5 minutes prior to the lecture. वो लोग अगर 1 मिनट भी लेट आते हैं, we first time second time हम लोग शायद से वो लोग को वार्निंग देते हैं, but then we make sure that they are kept standing for 15 minutes 20 minutes or so on. The purpose is not to
Punish
make them look down in front of everyone or something like that, but आपको विद्या की और टीचर की रिस्पेक्ट होनी चाहिए. टीचर और विद्या पढ़ाई जो है वो आपके लिए वेट नहीं कर सकती है. सो अगेन अ पार्ट ऑफ डिसिप्लिन दैट हाउ यू रीच योर वर्क प्लेस इन फ्यूचर बिफोर द टाइम. आपको जो टाइम पे बुलाया है उसके पहले आगे. सो ये बहुत छोटे छोटे माइन्यूट डिटेल्स पे हम लोग फोकस करते हैं.
जी जी.
और यही चीज़ों पे बच्चे लोग शायद से वो टाइम पे उनको दे फील कि क्यों इतने स्ट्रिक्ट है, क्या है, ये है, वो है. बट
It will help
इवेंचुअली
them in future.
या बट इवेंचुअली वंस दे क्लियर देयर 10th, वही बच्चे लोग हमें बोलते हैं कि सर थैंक यू, आपने ये सब हैबिट्स हम लोग में इनकलकेट की, आपने हमें खड़ा रखा, आपने हमारे साथ ये किया जो हमें वो टाइम पे बुरा लगता था. बट नाउ वी फील दैट इट्स वेरी वेरी नेसेसरी एंड इट्स अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट ऑफ आवर लाइफ एज वेल.
I know you as teachers and founders. I know Hitarth sir also takes care of languages. But besides that, you may be having good number of teachers who are associated with the class. So how is it that how did you get them on board? What was your strategy and what is the position now at this juncture?
So basically, we never ever looked out for some external things like some agencies for getting the teachers or staffs. We always got teachers as through references. So आपके रेफरेंस से कोई आया, उनके रेफरेंस से कोई आया, and we always looked for people who are like-minded.
Yep.
So luckily that kept on building, and you won't believe 2-3 teachers of ours are basically our existing students' parents. सो वैसे हमारी टीम बनी है एंड वी आर जेन्युइनली ग्रेटफुल कि नाउ वी डोंट कॉल देम टीचर्स, दे आर आवर फैमिली.
Great.
So, like our family has a good number of faculties. Not saying specifically numbers, but there are few doctors in our team who are practicing doctors. But वो लोग अपने डॉक्टरशिप के करियर में से टाइम निकाल के दे प्रोवाइड इट टू बेसिकली आवर कोचिंग इंस्टीट्यूशन. सो वी हैव अ लाइक अ huge team,
Bouquet of
like हाँ सर ने जैसे बोला, not only team but a huge family who takes cares of our kids in a very very good and a positive way. So we are lucky and we are really blessed कि ऐसी family हमें मिली है जो equivalent commitment और dedication के साथ बच्चे लोगों के लिए at any given point of time they are ready to help.
what is the mission as well as the vision of JD's private tutorials? Parshva sir, if you can.
So for mission, like we already spoke, we are not only into like result oriented or academic success, we more so over focus as well as on behavioral tendencies and how to improvise kids with respect to basic disciplinary things.
Yes sir.
So I could recollect one of the examples, probably 8 or 9 years back. We used to have a kid who joined us in grade 10, who had already taken an admission to XYZ Academic
Okay.
for like 9th and 10th का usually जो combo चलता है.
जी हाँ.
They joined us in grade 10th and initial days were pretty good. Like the kid was superbly good with respect to grasping things, understanding things, being curious and everything. But at a later stage, we found some irregularities with respect to his approach towards the studies as well as the discipline. So if I would say like the classes were from 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. let's say.
Yeah.
So at home he used to leave on time like 2:30, 2:45 and he used to reach classes before time and all those things. घर पे ऐसा था कि he used to leave 2:30 and he has reached classes at 2:45. But हम लोगों का एक पहले से ही एक ये रूल है, वी हैव अ व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप और हम लोग ग्रुप में मैसेज करते हैं. अगर 3-5 तक बच्चा नहीं आया फॉर 3 p.m. लेक्चर्स, सो वी ड्रॉप अ मैसेज इन द ग्रुप. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, वेर इज पार्श्व, वाई हैज ही नॉट रीच टिल नाउ.
Yeah.
सो वी स्टार्टेड ड्रॉपिंग मैसेज फॉर 4-5 days ऑन दैट नोट कि ये बच्चा नहीं आ रहा है. एंड ऑन लाइक नॉट इन ग्रुप बट द ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स यूज टू मैसेज अस ऑन पर्सनल स्टेटिंग कि सर वो तो 3 बजे के लेक्चर के लिए ही हैज़ लेफ्ट होम अराउंड 2:30. एंड यहाँ पे हम लोगों को शौक लगना शुरू हुआ कि ये बच्चा अगर घर से निकल रहा है क्लासेस का नाम लेके, तो वेयर इज़ ही गोइंग. देन वी हैड अ क्लोज डोर मीटिंग विथ हिज ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स एंड दैट्स वेयर वी अंडरस्टूड दैट he used to stay with his grandparents where his father was out of India and his mother was also somewhere not associated or in those particular time being. तो हम लोगों ने फिर वो टाइम पे एक छोटा सा डिसीजन लिया कि सर आप एक काम कीजिए, मतलब उनके ग्रैंडफादर को बोला कि वो जब घर से निकलता है ना तो आप उसके पीछे पीछे थोड़ा सा जाइए और देखिए वो कि कहाँ जा रहा है, कैसा हो रहा है. and eventually we got to know that the kid had fallen into
Wrong company.
wrong company, doing all those wrong things and all those things.
Hmm.
And that is where after few days he again met us and narrated the entire स्टोरी की. वो निकलता है आपका नाम लेके ही, 7 बजे तक लेक्चर है तो 7:15 को घर पे भी आ जाता है, बट इन टाइम बीइंग जो क्लासेस में होना चाहिए इज़ नॉट देयर इन द क्लासेस. So then his grandfather narrated the stories, and like I said, we were completely shocked because he
Yeah.
had fallen into wrong trap and everything. And somehow we tried to convey the message to his father, to be specific. His father came to India, leaving his particular work and everything, and then we connected with his father. We told him, and that is what we told, or else I would like to say to parents today as well, कि rather than being a parent figure these days, it is much better to be like a friend figure to them. That is how you can gel up or be opened up with your kid. वरना वो क्या होगा कि बच्चा कुछ गलत करता रहेगा, वो आपको बताएगा नहीं. एटलीस्ट फ्रेंड बॉन्ड रहेगा ना, तो एटलीस्ट आपको कुछ ना कुछ चीज़ें वो शेयर करेगा. सो
जी.
यू कैन स्टॉप हिम और हर एट अ सर्टन स्टेज कि आपको लग रहा है वो एक
गलत
बाउंड्री
कर-
क्रॉस हो रहा है या
हम्म.
कुछ गलत हो रहा है. तो एंड हिज फादर केम एंड वी अगेन हैड अ मीटिंग विद हिम एंड वी टोल्ड हिम कि आप फ्रेंडली ऐसे कि छोटे छोटे टास्क आप उसको देना स्टार्ट कीजिए. जैसे कि फॉर एग्जांपल 3 से 4 मेरे साथ पढ़ाई करने बैठना है, 5 आंसर्स करने हैं, 5 आंसर किया तो शाम को आप उसको आइसक्रीम खिलाने लेके जाओगे. 6 से 7 ये करने बैठना है, 6 से 7 अगर ये किया तो हम लोग साथ में मूवी देखने जाएंगे, हम लोग साथ में ड्राइव पे जाएंगे, हम लोग साथ में तेरे लिए ये गिफ्ट खरीदेंगे. दैट इज़ हाउ वी ट्राई टू क्रिएट अ बॉन्ड बिटवीन अ फादर एंड अ सन एज वेल, अपार्ट फ्रॉम एकेडमिक्स. और इसमें से जो चेंज आया है, though we were a part of it, like JD's private tutorials as an institution, one of the faculty was more involved in it, Minish sir karke the, and his father also got involved, and eventually the results were very fruitful. मतलब जो बच्चा एकदम ही wrong track पे चला गया था, he scored pretty good marks, he got into good college, and at present he is independently working out of India for himself. So like again coming back to zero, like mission, so again our mission not only rests with the academic part, but we really want to create an environment where kids as well as parents feels कि yes, अगर वो लोग ने हमारे यहाँ पे enroll किया है तो we are definitely going to give them much more than what they expect from us. So
Great.
if Jimit sir can tell.
So basically, I'll share one story. A girl whose parent is a multimillionaire or a billionaire. Grade ninth, she was not with us. The father was ready to spend whatever money he wants to on any of the teacher. They did that, but the girl failed or flunked in grade ninth. Joined us in grade 10th. The bonding, the environment which we gave, everything what that girl saw was amazing. And धीरे 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 the graph kept on going up. और वो खुद के बल पे she got into one of the finest colleges. And still that particular girl, the parent, mother are still in touch with us, and they are indebted to us कि sir कुछ आपने अच्छा कर दिया. These are few examples which we are sharing. Luckily, by God's grace, there are n number of different examples which can be shared. But
We
due
are
to
time bound, so
Yeah.
Yeah, so like we are grateful to God that we could mold kids who came in contact with us. We could help them plan their future better. And so like from mission, like if I would like to answer our vision, we also used to have lots of discussions कि हमें भी ये क्लासेस की तरह, वो क्लासेस की तरह, यहाँ पे भी ब्रांच होना चाहिए, वहाँ पे भी ब्रांच होना चाहिए, यहाँ पे भी होना चाहिए. बट देन अगेन वी कम बैक टू द सेम डिसीजन कि वी ऑलवेज बिलीव इन शॉर्ट कि जितना प्लेट में, हमारे प्लेट में जितना हम लोग उसको पिरोस सकते हैं या खा सकते हैं, उतना ही हमें करना है. वी डोंट वांट टू
very good.
बेसिकली शो कि हमारे इतने ब्रांचेस और फिर हम लोग उसको वो केटर ना कर पाए, उसको वो जस्टिस ना दे पाए, टू बी स्पेसिफिक. बिकॉज एजुकेशन इज समथिंग वी बिलीव शुड नॉट बी मेजर्ड इन अ क्वांटिटेटिव वे कि आपके
Quality.
इतने ब्रांचेस है या इतने वो है. वी बिलीव कि हम लोग जितना दे पा रहे हैं क्वालिटेटिव वे में, उतना ही हमारे वो वे में हम लोग एक रिस्ट्रिक्टेड वे में रखे. सो दैट इज़ वेयर आवर विजन कम्स कि भले हमारे ब्रांचेस शायद से कम हो या लिमिटेड हो, बट वी मेक श्योर दैट the visionary part, that is the kids that are going out of this institution, for sure, भले वो लोग फ्यूचर में कुछ भी करे, वॉट एवर दे डू इन देयर लाइफ,
Yeah.
but they will be disciplined and
And a
behavioral
good
or
human being.
moral, yeah, a good human being, morals or ethic wise they will be good. That is what we can probably share our vision for our institution as well as the kids who are passing out from our institution.
Very good. It was so nice speaking to you, JD sir, Jimmy sir, and Parshva sir. It was a great experience today to have met two good human beings, besides being good teachers. And dear parents and friends who are actually enrolled with JD's private tutorials, in this interview, you'll come to know the inner, the core side of what your teachers are, what are the founders are. So, that was the main intention to invite these gentlemen so that the entire fraternity, education fraternity, should know what could be a good tutorial. It's not, as what Parshva sir said, it need not be only in numbers, but yes, tomorrow when the students become great, or like they achieve something in life, it is their achievement in life. So thank you again, sir, that you came to the studio and gave your precious time.
Thank you sir,
Namaste.
for your time, and yeah,
Thank you.
thank you sir.